Great opportunity to own a 2-bedroom/2-bath condo across from Lakeshore Park. This main floor unit is zero entry at the door and has a patio that faces the community pool. Nice-sized windows allow for plenty of light in the 2 king-sized bedrooms. A spacious living room/dining room combination, and a kitchen with granite countertops complete the space. The community amenities include a beautiful pool, laundry room, and picnic area. Water, sewer, and building maintenance are included in the HOA fee,